Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make City Pop in FL Studio. Start by setting tempo to 100-110 BPM and pick warm keys. Dial in an electric piano patch with chorus and mild drive, then add lush pads behind it. Program a melodic bass that follows chord roots and leaves space for vocals. Keep your arrangement spacious and focus to evoke that smooth, nostalgic City Pop vibe. Automate filters for movement and vintage charm. Focus on major 7th, 9th, and 6th chords to build that dreamy, urban harmony. Voice chords with close inner movement and occasional inversions to maintain a warm low end. Sprinkle tasteful passing chords to hint at jazz influences without overpowering the melody. Use a counter melody or pad to fill sustained chord tones while the rhythm section breathes. Keep voicings smooth and avoid dense clusters, so each start with a punchy kick and a crisp snare, then add swung hi-hats and offbeat percussion for that laid-back City Pop feel. Layer in congas or brushes at low volumes to add texture without crowding the mix. Send keys and guitars to a plate reverb and bus synths through a chorus for shimmer. Light tape saturation on drums and bass helps glue everything, and gentle sidechain keeps the kick present while preserving warmth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.